today we've got another Devon ride out. And yeah, this one is, I think there's more people in this one. It's colder, but I got heated grips. I got to reconnect them because they're not on. The connectors come loose. There's a lot of bikes. There is a lot of bikes. I don't know if you guys can hear me. It's nice, I like this. It's a bigger group. You can just hear them all popping, bro. All I hear is rattling in my ears, bro. Look how far down it goes. That sounds beautiful. Alright, that's peace. These, you know, I would do that, but I don't have a big bike, so my bike don't sound as cool. literally like half the group day. There's what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of us, because there's one behind me. I do know how to count, guys. See? I don't know if you guys can actually see, but there is 10 of us. Hello. What do you guys think? I can keep up with the big ones or not? All the big ones are overtaken. I can't believe I'm still, bro. Twice. Count two, and I'm not making it 3, bro.
Hey, so this is a little awkward. Things haven't really been working out as well between us, and I think it's time for both of us to kind of just follow.
end over there.
Oh, you're that guy.
Who's that?
Watch your YouTube.
What, the guy that drives too fast? Guy doing stupid speed in the 20s.
That engine blew up.
Yep.
Don't go how that happens. Wow, Chinese.
Apparently it
Chinese?
wasn't the engine. Apparently it was just like the coolant pipe and
Oh, really?
water pump came off. So hopefully the bike will keep going.
You worry your bike's not going to start?
Yeah.
Don't blame you, to be fair. Really should have brought my winter mats with me.
I don't know if it's a battery or just the thermostat, because I know without a thermostat it will struggle to start.
Is it so many, Jesus.
There is, isn't there?
The whole of Dawlish are demolished.
It actually is. It started finally. That's the little ride out. We had some nice food. By the way, I've changed the camera angle. Simon, day's day out, he told me to flip the camera upside down. So that's what I've done. Hopefully, you guys are seeing everything. Love it. Right, there we go. I've left the pack. Look at that. Beautiful.